choose.
Wow.
OMG! Raspberry latte! Lemon meringue.
Oh.
Orange blossom. Who is this?
呢個你唔知咩？
Cherry drop. Cherry.
呢個 plum 啊
No, cherry.
，cherry jam，仲有咧？
I don't know. Strawberry shortcake.
strawberry shortcake too。
Strawberry shortcake too.
哇
Some of them are same.
你買嗰啲頭髮，你睇嗰啲頭髮，唔係啊，另外嗰啲啊，一條條嗰啲啊，係啊，你聞下，係 strawberry 嚟嘅。
Strawberry, lemon.
OMG！
多謝爺爺嫲嫲。我都開爺爺嫲嫲嗰個。咁大個。
哇！
This is the purple game. 哇。
咩 game 嚟㗎呢個？
Purple. I know how to play this game.
誒。
Let's put it on the side.
好到。
Your turn. Okay, there's like this one's yours.
有
Okay.
咁。
From Gupa. Gupa.
哇！呢個咩嚟㗎？呢個送咩俾你㗎？哇！呢個好快㗎喎，行啦，跟住都可以玩㗎喎，呢個都。
我都想玩。媽媽，呢個係邊個？姑姑俾我㗎。It's a drawstring hoodie. Okay.
哇！咁短嘅。
好靚啊！我好中意。
好靚喎！呢隻紫色。
而家 Uncle Brian， Where is Uncle？ 俾佢 water bottle。
你又有？
Oh, it's a hydro flask, Olivia！
你都有？
Oh my gosh！
你都有
Okay,
hydro
let's open it.
flask？
Thank you, Tutula. You just buy it and then you just write Uncle Brian.
係你又知啦，係咪？
哇！你睇，
而家就一樣嘅喎。
This is so purple. It's perfect. It's oh man, when I go to school, I'm gonna use it, but I have to sightsee.
係啦。
I know what they do. Uncle Brian, please, 我開你嘅 present 啦 ！Merry Christmas.
哇！
Oh, this is exactly what I wanted. And I have one too. We're twinsies. 因為呢個可以開，跟住擺一個 like 黑色嘅 T-shirt inside, and then wear this on the outside. Wow, thank you, Dudu. I love it. And thank you, Dudu. 俾我呢個，哇，呢個真係好中意耶。OK。係啊。
呢個 festive 喎呢個。
Okay, now I'm gonna open Google that I know what it likes. Oh man, oh man.
哇！
OMG.
都話呢個紮頭髮嘅喎。
係啊。
我知。
Oh my god. Say thank you. Thank you, Gogo. Okay. 呢個係姑婆俾我㗎。唔知喎。
Mastermind.
What is this? Oh, is this? Wow! I thought it was Battleship, but wow.
哇！
睇個
呢個
game
咧，
我唔知個係
呢個係
咩 game。
Before I was born 就有嘅啦，呢個 game。
係 Mastermind，姑婆你俾我㗎。
哇！呢個 classic 嚟嘅喎，豬。
OK。
我哋等陣玩啦。
OK。
Classic。
多謝姑婆。
Everyone knows。
婆婆，公公婆婆，你可以講。Oh man, that strawberry shortcake is making me dizzy.
睇好啦，中間就睇到拍添啦。
What is this? Is it shoebox?
哇！
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah! I have lots of strawberry shortcake. Can I know now?
哇！呢個賽車車嘅喎。咩 remote car 嚟㗎，妹主？
哇，唔係啊嘛？
下邊啊，喺下邊嗰度。
Stop! No! Don't do it
Put
yet.
on 啦。
Don't do it yet.
I put it
Give it
on.
to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. I don't want to play it right now. How can you do this?
嚟梳化啦。
The hat for strawberry shortcake. Where is I'm happy.
所以多謝
你話多謝公公婆婆。多謝公公婆婆。哇 That is making us.
呢個肯定係啲咩嘅嘢嚟？It's Academy。
Nike。
Nike 盒啫。
呢個可能唔係。
Come on。
哦，係啦。哦。
OMG。哇！
I just need to look at this table.
呢個你翻學鞋嚟嘅喎，可以。呢個籃球鞋嚟㗎。
哇！籃球鞋同埋翻學。
你唔翻學，淨係用著去打波得唔得㗎？
Thank you，爸爸同埋媽媽。
你知咗好啊嚇？呢個咧？
我有 one more。
哇！呢個咧？呢個白白
Mom and
色。
Dad. Okay, I know what it looks like. She has the whole strawberry shortcake cake thing. Already have a lot of strawberry shortcake. I already know what I want.
你想要咩嘢啊？
Strawberry shortcake. But mommy and
呢個係
daddy.
Strawberry Cafe 啊。
Yeah, and I know raspberry shortcake. Oh my dear, let me tell you.
呢個 Strawberry Cafe 啊。
Oh, wild. 嗰個 swing 咧，呢個可能。
有單砌啦，好冇？
No. Yeah. Oh, I need to watch this. I need to watch this every day. Do you remember like blueberry pie at my first sleepover? Raspberry torte not feel away.
Muffin 唔係 blueberry pie。
Yeah. Oh yeah. And it's made this. And it's okay. 仲有一個開啦。
Last
公公
one。
婆婆嘅依個嘢，好大啊！
哇！OMG。
好大啊！開啦我。Actually, I really have to watch.
哦。我嘅。
哇 no! Holy!
哇！ 整咩咧？
And it's even my favorite color.
下次我去同你一齊做好冇？
Yeah, 我哋可以一齊整 bread. Look. And so many
呢
different
個你
things.
猜嗰陣我係猜唔到。
係啊係啊係啊
你猜啊！
This is a dough hook attachment. The hat.
唉
When strawberry shortcake needs to cook. The hat and the hat. Oh yeah, you can dress me. Yeah. Oh, Eva, Owlcrate box. This is an Owlcrate box, and I don't know what it is. Daddy, look right over here. When you push it, you can see the. Ooh, it says wishing you a wonderful holiday season and a bookish new year.
哦，整
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna use this. This is like for your
poster。
Yeah, I'm gonna use this coaster. This is a coaster, everybody. Can I see? Mine is. Look, and this is wow, a beanie, a hat, and it's so cute. It has owls on it. And mine is a bust. Mine is the bust. Oh! I'm sorry, box, but I'm gonna break you. No. Guys, it's a gosh dang cookie stamp.
哇！
Rising Phoenix cookie stamp. Rolled out a chilled sugar cookie dough, and then dust it, and then put it on.
你整我哋嗰啲 lemon cookies 啦。
Yeah. Cookie stamp.
Look, this is like an
Cookie stamp.
係 umbrella。
And another umbrella that you can
Winged
put
Beasts is the December.
This is not a
咁多嘢嘅。
Hiya.
哦，呢個係咩？係又有嗰個。
I need to see this. Oh,
It's like a bookmark.
see this. Oh. Can I see the hat? Okay. No, this doesn't say.
These are airplane thingies.
哇！呢個啊 good 喎。
Airplane
唔
folding.
該睇下。
Flying creatures. OwlcrateJr. monthly reading journal planner.
哇！
Yeah, this is sort of like a book log and like mixes with like a regular
10
planner.
點幾啫。
哇，㗎嘛，你咁多禮物。
Give me this.
Come on. The book.
She's a Billy house. Here you go.
好靚啊！婆婆都好中意。
Oh, author Sandra.
And you can set them on the bed.
And there's a letter. And then, of course, there has to be a sticker. Here's the sticker. And the theme of the January OwlcrateJr. box is Inner Magic. Ooh. Discover your inner magic next month. January's box is the first of a new Own Voices fantasy trilogy all about friendship, finding what makes you special, and standing up for who and what you believe in. This story will be perfect for fans of Tristan Strong Punches a Hole in the Sky, Percy Jackson, and Arusha. Oh, wow.